Hi, today I'm going to be teaching you about the poem When You Are Old by William Butler Yeats. A little bit about the author is that William was born on June 13th, 1865 in Dublin, Ireland, and died in 1939. He is considered to be one of the greatest poets of the 20th century. He was Protestant and an Anglo-Irish minority. He lived in London for 14 years of his childhood, but featured Irish legends and heroes in his plays and poems. William published his first work in the mid-1880s while attending Dublin's Metropolitan School of Art. He abandoned art school soon after in pursuits for other things. Some of his early works include The Wanderings of Ossian and other poems in 1889, and plays such as The Countess Kathleen in 1892 and Deirdre in 1907. In 1923, he was awarded the Nobel Prize for Literature. The poem goes like this. When you are old and gray and full of sleep, and nodding by the fire, take down this book and slowly read and dream of the soft looks your eyes had once, and keep of their shadows deep. How many loved your moments of glad grace, and loved your beauty with love false or true. But one man loved the pilgrim soul in you, and loved your sorrows of changing face, and bending down beside the glowing bars, murmur a little sadly how love fled, and paced upon the mountains overhead, and hid his face amid the crowd of stars. The first stanza, the speaker asks the person to imagine old age. The speaker tells them to pick up a book when they are about to fall asleep and start dreaming. In the second stanza, in lines 5 through 8, the person should think of how many people love them as well, but in particular think of the one man whose love was true. In the third stanza, the speaker imagines the person tending a fire and muttering sadly about their love that walked away. When You Are Old is a bittersweet poem that reveals how real love can be complex. The poem argues in favor of a kind of love based not on physical appearance, which fades over time, but on a deeper beauty of two souls connecting. I chose this poem because I enjoy how it can be interpreted in many ways. I enjoy how the poem never specifies the name or genders of either the speaker or the addressee. My favorite thing about this poem is it argues for a kind of love that is not based on physical appearance or attraction. I personally believe love should not be based on looks, so this is a great lesson to teach. I hope you learned a lot. Thank you.